Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the document and saving a backup. This prevents accidental loss. Place the cursor on the page you want in landscape or select a range of pages. Use print layout so page breaks and section boundaries are visible. That matters because orientation applies to sections. Once you've selected the target area, go to the Layout or Page Layout tab. The next step changes margins and orientation for only what you chose. You now change orientation. On the Layout tab, pick Orientation, then Landscape. If that changes the whole document, insert a next page section break before and after the content you want rotated. Apply Landscape to only that section. Why sections? Because Word stores page setup per section, so you can have mixed orientations. Make sure margins and paper size are adjusted after switching, because content can reflow, so check images, tables, and headers to keep layout intact. Finish by updating headers and footers. If they should be different in the landscape section, unlink them from previous sections. Once done, preview using Print or Print Preview to confirm pagination and that tables or images fit. If content shifts unexpectedly, check for missing or misplaced section breaks and verify margin or paper size mismatches. Correcting those fixes most issues. If a header repeats incorrectly, reopen header/footer and disable link to previous. Then save your file and you're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.